Hey everyone, so today I'll be going over the process of how to connect a chatbot to your Facebook account. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Botisimo, but if you're looking to do this with any other chatbot, the process is going to be very similar. So to begin, you'll go ahead and enter all the details for your account, and once that's done, just hit the continue button. Then Botisimo is going to ask us to choose the platforms that we'd like to connect, and obviously for today's video, we're going to be choosing Facebook. And after you've selected that, you're going to once again just hit the continue button. Then just take a second to confirm that your username, email, and connected platforms are all correct, and click confirm. And just like that, our brand new account with Botisimo is completely set up. Now, if it wasn't obvious enough, we're going to go ahead and click on the Connect with Facebook button in the middle of our screen. So I'll now be redirected to Facebook, where it will ask me if I want to continue as the account that I'm currently signed in as. This is the correct account, so I'm going to go ahead and click the continue button. Then it's going to ask me if there's any Instagram business accounts I want to use with Botisimo. I currently don't have any, so I'm going to skip this step, but if you wanted to do something like this, you could just link an account here. Now it's going to ask me what pages I would like to use with Botisimo. I have a page set up here called the Botisimo Connection Test, and obviously I would like to use that page. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and then click the next button. Next, you're going to see a list here of things that Botisimo will have access to on your Facebook account. The number of things here might seem a bit overwhelming and scary if this is your first time linking anything to your Facebook account, but this will basically just allow the bot to perform all the features that you're going to want it to perform. So once you're comfortable with giving it all these permissions, just go ahead and click the done button. And it's that simple. Just like that, Botisimo has now been linked to my Facebook account. So I'll click OK, and I'll be redirected back to the Botisimo website. And now under the Connections tab on my Botisimo dashboard, you can see my Facebook account, Daniel, that's what it's called, and also the page I decided to link, the Botisimo Connection Test, which can confirm that everything is working properly. And that's going to be it for now. So hopefully this was a relatively straightforward and easy process for you to follow, but if you're having any issues, please feel free to leave your questions and concerns down in the comments section below.